Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app is updated and you're logged into the account you'll post from. This prevents permission issues. Next, choose whether you'll record original audio or import a trending spotlight sound, because trends drive reach and original audio builds brand. Once decided, prepare a 5 to 60-second vertical clip and place it in camera roll if importing. Then open the Snapchat camera, swipe to Spotlight, and get your clip ready to edit with the chosen sound. You now add the sound by tapping the music icon or selecting your camera roll clip. This is how Snapchat links audio metadata for discovery. Trim and position the audio to fit your 5-60-second window, and adjust the clip and original track volumes so dialogue isn't drowned out. Make sure to align the visual hit with the audio's key beat at 0, 0, 0, because tight sync increases engagement. Once you're happy, preview multiple times to catch lip sync or timing slips. You finish by adding captions, stickers, and selecting a clear cover thumbnail that shows the hook instantly. These increase play rate. Then choose Spotlight as the destination, pick audience settings, and enable audio attribution so others can use your sound. Tap Post and monitor analytics for retention. If the sound fails to attach or won't play, re-import the clip at slightly different length, restart the app, or clear cache. These steps resolve most sync and upload errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.